Ok, puisque c'est l'arrivée des délégations pour l'ouverture du congrès annuel de l'Opposition. Voilà, Gaï, arrivée délégation pour l'ouverture. Voilà, banque qui est dans le cadre de l'Union, on a essayé de pour essayer le congrès. On va dans ok. Di familia Hayo David Diatta
ala barka équipe nani ngay kontane ala barka
délégation du monsieur le maire monsieur le maire ka ngi ko batali ya
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, équipe nani. Tunay kontane. Next, itinerary Yonkala Ananga Mr. Kale, Baba Kale, if you are anywhere. Thank you so much, Mr. Baba Karikale. We appreciate you for everything that you've done for the people of Bakasu County. Thank you once again. You may kindly take your We appreciate your coming. sono akan kasok Mr. Eken Paul Jaju onen kanu kitani Mr. ana do ya lombo sono onen kanu kitani mema ngai kontani ni ka sokaru ni ko wala ana yo ana keya the delegate from Kubatambeng onen kadi sokaru timpa pakatilolia onen kanu tugalu yo ni ka katikan poli ni ka katikan ceremony thereby ni ka katikan policy Mr. Barrow, we are saying thank you. Welcome. Ketan jasi uninga kakitanago. Delegation ya pakati mantakulo uninga kakitanago. Pakati punia uninga kontane Mr. Andrew unukitanago. Keke tanya nani uninga uninga kontane. Thank you for the dance. Thank you for the great styles that you are showcasing today. Thank you so much. Nani? Hello, DJ, can we have some music, please? Alabata.
Aisa dijana jasi. Aja Aisa dijana jasi. Yamaha, Jas, Google give you. Yamba, so like every good year. François Yamba, Jas, Gabe. Again, Paul Napane, the Tilake, no lay. Salon for Jesus. Representative Jai. Ayo kita akan nyamba, masa nyamba jasi, aja no be. Salon for Jesus. Itu.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a representative from any specific organization, say Salon for Jesus, say Salon for Jesus, and you have more than 3 representatives here, can we have 2 of your representatives come and join the tent that contains the special guest, please. Alupagaram Kalonia at this stage, executive here, Ala baraka ni Kenya no yama yeah. Don't mind the man floor night. We'll get through it, yeah?
Masih kamu itu. Dia dan jangan apa itu baru dia buka modest bah. Buka mana kasar ni kasar lu di giro apa di giro. Buka kakak itu apa? Itu siapa? Itu siapa? Itu siapa? Yang kita ni bukan sedikit pun bukan sekarang wala apa kau ni. Orang pun ni bukan berapa ni dia. Itu dah kau nampak. Kau tu macam tu, kita tu kau. Kita jadi orang musik. Yo, awak ada kena pilih baru di Bogor. Bodoh hamba di Bogor. Jawab. Kita dah nak masalah. Bipro, amaru agna kambe Muslim Adoni, le président de la jeunesse, agna Muslim, avec l'organisation, voilà, pour que Muslim, nous voici le vice-président Sylvain Kebamane, voilà, organisation, agna représente une organisation, voilà, sa relation est sérieuse, voilà, voilà.
Pastor John. Pastor John Kugolo lepe. Sebil sam mano telefon.
Of honor, Mr. Baba Karikale, the representatives from the various associations here present, ladies, gentlemen, all other protocols duly and respectfully observed today. Welcome to the 2024 Bakasuk Hamim Association Congress holding in Dar es Salaam. And on behalf of the executive members, I want to especially thank each and every one of you for being here and being able to spend your weekend away from your family. It means a whole lot to us, and we appreciate and honor you. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the theme for this year's Congress is titled Celebrating Our Living Legends. In our midst are men and women who contributed immensely to the success of this noble association. And as we dive into the program, we will take time to celebrate their good work. Ladies and gentlemen, we would want to give you a history about our success story as Epuk Pokasuk. Epuk Pokasuk Hamim Association was founded in the early 1980s with the aim of uniting and advancing the standard of living of its members. However, after a decade of silence came the robbing of the mines for the rebirth of the association in the year 2005. The rebirth was conceived in Yemen, which then became consultations with community associations, NGOs, and government parastatals in the Gambia and beyond. The mobilization resulted to the hosting of the first Congress held in Bakasuk in the year 2006. The first Congress became the springboard for the massive enhancement of the socio-economic status of the people of Bakasuk, both in the Gambia and Senegal. Subsequently, ladies and gentlemen, a 5-point agenda was set up for a 5-year term, which focused on the demarcation of community routes, a space for a market, a school, a sports field, a building, and the building of a rice milling machine for the people of Bakasuk. Ladies, it will interest you to know that the community members used to travel on foot for at least 7 kilometers to get to the nearest food provision store. And as such, there was need to have canoes that would be carrying people from Ziguinchor, Bakasuk, and Kafountine. After 6 months, an NGO called Karongen surprised the village with the solutions they seek. and in a span of 18 months, ladies and gentlemen, they fenced a 1 hectare portion of land for a garden and dug 4 wells, and also built and stocked the provision store, and equally provided 2 canoes, one to help people travel from Bakasu, Kafontein, and Ziguinchor, while the other was given to the youth to engage in commercial fishing. Can we give that a round of applause? Thank you very much. So, ladies, the youth started contributing towards the building of a school when they came to realize that children had to walk for 7 kilometers to go to school and back. This affected their academic progress and increased the chance of dropping out of school. Today, we are happy to gladly report that we are in a national level. This is another achievement for us. For Jesus donated a borehole to help with the garden. And I am very pleased to inform you today, ladies and gentlemen, that some of the onions that our cooks are using for this congress are from the said garden. That is another achievement for us. It's one of the success stories of the 2006 Congress. This association is registered at the Attorney General's Chamber and the Ministry of Justice, the National Youth Council, and Regional and District Youth Committee. Over the years, the association has actively participated in national trade fairs where they exhibited their bee-wax soap, cream, and woven bags. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the things that is their bee-wax soap, their cream production, and bee farming. Due to their high level of responsibility and commitment, they've been able to acquire loans and grants. Today, we can proudly say that majority of our youth have acquired the requisite skills and knowledge needed to occupy any position of influence. Amongst us, we have teachers, we have health personnel, we have accountants, we have servicemen and women, we have lawyers, just but to name a few. This is another accomplishment. Can we give ourselves another round of applause? To everyone that has contributed towards the success of this great association. Abubakar Kichanaro, and high school Angle, pour Kapanona case, success story, and we need somebody to Tigatal, Tagata time, and we have a school. If we sabab learn, malaka to school, and then somebody learn and you hold. Take now, no hinjan, Pamaka, a book of Hinjani, there is need Tagata Sola for Okonuta school. Few in somebody school, every purpose book, like Evankali, Lanola, Legabia, after major honor. Wala asi Anna Soka Pengan Kamaloka Sofnea, if we are teaching us, Wala Poka Pengan Kamaloka Mukum. Wala penga kame maloka bago pa pembanga el panisites e hupulo ku e bupokaso musa na kamuna ni utakata creativity kame malokwa e hofu nafa una la mapo bare dunia ya khami. Voilà, thank you very much.
Des années 80 jusqu'à nos jours, donc si en quelque sorte l'association a été créée dans les années 80. Ce sont des pionniers qui étaient là. Voici M. Gilbert Sambou, il a fait partie des créateurs de cette association. Voilà. Et juste vous dire qu'on ne peut pas tout vous dire ou tout vous raconter l'histoire. Juste dire que ce sont des enfants du village de Bakassou, au niveau de Bakassou. Autant moi qui suis là, je marche au moins 5 km ou 6, 7. Pour aller à l'école. Chaque jour, un enfant qui avait 10-12 ans allait chaque jour de Haïr à Bakassou pour ceux qui connaissent la zone. Donc, ils ne pouvaient pas prendre le son. Et Dieu merci, à travers ces gens-là, on a pu en avoir une école de pilote. Et à travers aussi cette association, on s'est débrouillé jusqu'à avoir des projets qui étaient là. Et voilà qu'en 2008, le projet Caroline était venu et il a aidé aussi les femmes jusqu'à nos jours. Et on a pu clôturer un hectare où les femmes travaillent maintenant. Et merci Calon Prodigios qui nous avait soutenu aussi. Ils ont pu creuser un mini forage qui est là, qui est fonctionnel. L'oignon qu'on est en train d'utiliser depuis hier jusqu'à nos jours, c'était venu du jardin. Et nous disons vraiment merci à Calon Prodigios et aussi aux grandes femmes de Bokassou. Donc à travers aussi ces gens-là, voilà que les enfants ou bien pour qui est là, partout où tu les appelles, ou partout où vous voyez un ministère ou une direction, nous n'oublions personne, spécialement à M. le maire qui a accepté de faire le déplacement de Capondu jusqu'ici, qui est là, qui nous a donné vraiment le courage d'être là, pour avoir le courage de s'adresser.